Concept2 RowErg. I did get the tall leg option. Ordered this directly from their website, which is what I recommend. Came within, I think shipping was about a week. And it came in 2 boxes. Those boxes showed up 1 day apart. Weight of the machine is only 68 pounds, so it's actually fairly easy to maneuver around, especially since it can be in 2 pieces. Space required is 9 feet by 4 feet. Machine itself is 8 foot by 2. And weight capacity 500 pounds as tested by Concept2. Very nice. Does come with a little bit of hardware, and they do provide a Torx bit, which you'll need. If you want to lay out your parts, just give them an inspection, make sure nothing's damaged. You want to identify that right away. First step is mounting the front leg frame to the base with the wheels. And in your hardware pack, it's real easy. There are 8 long and 4 short with nuts. We're going to be using the 8 long first. You can see the leg frame assembly is offset, but there is really only one way to mount it, the way they've oriented the threaded inserts here, which is nice. Start all your screws first. These do have thread locker on them. That'll keep them from backing out later. Snug them all down and give them all a good tight. Okay, with the front arm of your Concept2 upside down, and I've left all my plastic on, I'll remove that later just to kind of give it extra protection. Take your front leg assembly. You want the wheels oriented, once you flip it over, oriented towards the front. My right side as we're looking at this. But you'll notice there is this little notch right here, and that is going to fit right here. So again, I like that. It's super easy. It's going to make sure you're putting this in the right orientation. Again, you're using for the long bolts. Start all your hardware by hand first. Run everything to contact and then go around and tighten everything. Next up, the rear arm with seat and the rear leg assembly here. You do need to take off this seat stop right there. Save those 2 bolts and nuts. We're going to reuse the seat stop onto the leg and the hardware. They do actually include a full set of hardware too, so you're going to want to put a little bit extra. So basically you want to take this, rotate it 90 degrees. There's a slot here. Slip that slot through your leg assembly and rotate it back up 90. Alright, next step, be cautious, be mindful of the seat rolling back onto your fingers as you're trying to work here. Roll it towards the front, give it a little lift, keep that angle going, and basically slide on your rear leg. And make sure it gets all the way over that little lip there until your holes line up here, and then there's 2 holes right here. Bolt and nut for all 4. Get them all started, then tighten them down. And just to show you, the nuts do have that locking teeth on the back. If you do need a backup wrench on the other side, 7/16. Okay, now we just need to lock the 2 pieces together, and I've kind of got this approximately where you'll need it to get this to work. What you're doing is position your rear assembly over the front assembly, and that little notch there at the bottom, that is going to lock into, slide in right there over this, right in between your feet rest. This piece right here, we'll click down and lock it. Alright, now all the fun bits. You can rotate your monitor arm. It just rotates right into place. And you do have this piece right here which you can adjust to hold like a phone or an iPad or something like that. You can adjust this. Remove all your plastics. Okay, there it is, the Concept2 all set up. Took me longer fiddling with the camera than actually set it up. Super easy, follow the instructions, and let's get fit. Boom.